When someone is arrested and charged with a crime, it can be several months before their case goes to trial. However, not everyone arrested has to sit in jail until it's time for trial if they can post a bond. And that's what we're talking about today. And that's the lawyer with attorney Carl Parrish. Good to see you as always.
Good to see you.
All right, so what is a bail bond? Well,
a bail bond to start with is probably the two most important words that have been put together in our society, because we've had the bail bonds forever. But just think, if we didn't have bail bonds and how many prisons we'd have to build. But a bail bond is simply that when an individual is charged and is with a crime, takes them to the magistrate's office, they try to make a determination as to should they be released, and if so, what will the bond be? Meaning the bond secures them, in theory, that they will stay where they are and show up in court like they're supposed to.
Now, how is that amount determined?
The magistrates determine that amount. What they look at, especially now with the what we have by way of information that we can gather, a magistrate looks at what is their prior criminal history. If they got a prior criminal history, then the bond's going to go up much, much higher, up into the 10,000s or more. When they look at that, and then the question is, will they think that the individual will harm the community? If they come in and there's a bad fight or something of that nature going on, they have to be concerned about whether they should release them on a bond even higher, or let them go. And they also look at, do they have the ability to pay for the bond, and or if you do get a bond and you don't show up in court, then we get into the next issue of bail bondsman. But that's when all that money is forfeited to the state.
And if you can't pay, I guess you just sit in jail until your case goes to court, huh?
That's right. If you can't get it, if nobody in your family, a bail bondsman will not do it. Bail bondsmen are very smart. They check out every record everybody's got, and if it's a bad one and they have not shown up in the past, they don't get out of jail.
I can understand that. So now, what are some of the conditions where the defendant may be held in jail without bail?
Usually that's the extreme murder, assaults, physical assaults on minors, things of that nature. Usually when you get a charge that says you're going to prison or death, all of those charges, generally speaking, they are always held in custody until the trial is actually had or the case is taken care of.
All right, try to stay out of jail.
That is it. I mean, but again, without the bail bondsmen that we have, they are all very professional and they work very hard, and they have to pay just a percentage. Instead of a $10,000 bond, they can get a bond out for about $1,200.
All right, thank you so much. We do appreciate it.